This is America Without 7 local trains. The next stop is 74th Street, Broadway.
Fast, we have police on the platform, street issue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Passenger advised, Manhattan Southern trains are not stopping at 82nd Street. Due to station improvement. The station is scheduled to transfer 74th Street and Broadway to a Main Street.
Transfer is available to E, F, and R trains. Transfer to the Q47 and the LaGuardia Link Q70 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 Select Bus Service. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. This is an Manhattan 7 local train. The next stop is 69th Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is Manhattan 7 local train. The next stop is Woodstock, 61st Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
is at the rear of the platform.
If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee.